Hey, what's up, man? Good morning, everybody. Came back. Hold on, let's close this up. It's really cold out here right now. You can see even the zipper is that's what I'm saying. So hold on, this shit came off. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to figure out, how I'm gonna do the framing in here. You know what I'm saying? There's an update about my life. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got the light, you can see right there. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it works good. Like, it doesn't work perfect to where I need it, because I need to take it apart and then rewire it, and then because it's not gonna stay like that. I'm gonna take the light bulbs, I'm gonna put them into the ceiling, and they're gonna aim down. They're gonna aim down like that. You know what I'm saying? But I bought the lights. You can see them. They're up there. Like, you know what I'm saying? So okay. So you know what I'm saying? So and plus it has that cutoff 30 seconds thing. Like, it's no good. Like, you know what I'm saying? I wanted it when I switch it on, it stays on, and then I switch it off. And don't get me wrong, when it turns off when I leave, it's okay. Like, you know what I'm saying? But like, you know what I'm saying, for this situation here, you know what I'm saying, I want it to stay on, like, but it has that cutoff switch. You know what I'm saying? But it's okay. You know what I'm saying? I don't pay no electric for that, so it's free. Like, you know what I'm saying? So overall, my life is okay, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit here and say that it's bad when it's running good. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting to buy everything I want. I'm starting to buy everything I want, and that's all that counts. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm not paying no rent. I'm not paying no mortgage. I'm not paying for light. I'm not paying for water. Shit, I'm good. I'm not paying no property taxes and shit. Hey, hold on, let's turn this off. Turn this off right here. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not paying no property taxes. I'm not paying for shit. If you really look at it, I'm not really doing bad. Like, you know what I'm saying? So I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all my followers for being patient with the build. It's just that the build is going to hit some hiccups as we going through. Like, you know what I'm saying? And I've been framing it up. As you can see, it's getting framed up, but the framing has to be done the correct way for it to be accurate the way I want it. Like, you know what I'm saying? This is my first wall. My first wall up. Like, you can see it. My first wall. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to start going all the way around. I'm going to start putting them all the way around, the whole thing. And then we're going to create the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be right here. I'm going to build it right here, the kitchen. And you know what I'm saying? The bed, I'm going to have to take the bed and push it more this way. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it could give space for the kitchen. For when I cook, I could stand there and I could cook with no problem. You know what I'm saying? The microwave, I decided to put the microwave up there. It's going to be inside an enclosure. It's going to be up there. And then we're going to put an oven. We're putting an oven, and then we're going to put 2 propane cookers. The one I got in here, I'm going to just give it to a homeless guy. I'm going to just get it because that shit came from Martinez, and I don't want all the donation stuff that people put in, started complaining and I'm throwing all that shit out. You see, the only ones that didn't complain are the real people. If anybody understand. All those other people started getting pissed off because I stopped doing the fight predictions in my other channel, in my boxing channel, and then their money went like starting to go back down. That's not my problem. You know what I'm saying? If I don't want to do something no more, I just don't do it, and that's it. Right? Like, you know what I'm saying? So, so that's the situation with that, but I'm not letting it bother me. I'm just going to continue living my life, and I'm going to finish this house. I'm going to finish the deck. I'm going to finish the jacuzzi. The jacuzzi I'm going to put in the back, and I'm going to finish the swimming pool too. I'm going to hook this shit fully up. It's going to be a 1 million plus view house because I know how to build shit. So it's going to look beautiful. It's going to be sustainable. You know what I'm saying? And what more do you want? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's on a free land. It's on free land. And you know what I'm saying? So, like, people saying, oh, there's no such thing as free land. Oh, yes, there is. There is such thing as free land. Like, you know what I'm saying? Only stupid people will think that way. Only stupid people will think that way. There's free land in here. You just got to know where to go. Like, you know what I'm saying? I already did my research for this section here. The whole piece that I got, which is a block long. That's how big my space is. A block long. It's all free. They didn't buy it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I'm good. I'm sitting in on here. I could even claim it. I could go to court and claim the land if I want. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to do that. Because then you got to start paying taxes. You just got paying all this shit to the government. I'm not doing none of that. You hear me, government? I ain't paying your motherfucker shit no more. Understand that. You know what I'm saying? So, for everybody that's being true to me, thank you so much. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry. We're going to finish this house. As long as I'm alive, we're going to finish it. We're going to put the wooden floor pretty soon. We're going to start doing the wooden floor. You know what I'm saying? We're going to start hooking this shit up really, really beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It's going to have original. It's going to be an original build by me. It's going to be my brand. If anybody understands, it's going to be my brand. There ain't nobody doing this in the planet. I'm the only one. You know what I'm saying? So, if you like the video, put a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying? If you want to comment, you can comment. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Just have some respect when you comment. Because if you can't handle when I dish out the truth in here, this ain't the channel for you. You got to go to those channels that lick fucking ass over there, and then you got to handle that over there. This ain't the channel for you. You know what I'm saying? So don't forget to subscribe.